Alright, in my video today I'm going to show you a quick demonstration how OpenBOM will allow you to save, revision and manage changes in multi-level bill of materials. So let's start from a very simple multi-level bill of materials of the skateboard. It has a deck, it has an axle and a wheel. Alright, so now the new option that we have in OpenBOM is to have an option to save a baseline of revision of multi-level BOM. So let's say I'm going now, I don't have any revisions here in the structure, so I am going to save a new revision, and I'm saving revision for all levels. So I will call it its baseline for my skateboard. Okay, I saved this revision, and now we have revisions for all levels. So I can go and I can see what is the revision 1, and you will see that the revision 1 we have revisions for all levels. All right, so now let me make the next change. So let's go to latest state and apply a change for sublevel. So let me introduce a new item in the sublevel, which will be a nut. So I will add an item to this level, insert item below, and I will search for the item, and I will search the nut. Okay, so I insert it in the BOM, and we have a nut. All right, so now it's very important. Keep in mind and pay attention that if I will go to revision 1, we don't have nut because that was the newest change. All right, let's go back to the latest, and we getting the change. Now I would like to introduce now the change for all levels. So how I can do it? I can go again and save a new revision, and I will save revision for all levels. Now I don't want to go granular, so I can go granular and I can introduce revision for sub-level and then revision for the upper level. Sometimes it's useful, like we say, if you revise the toilet seat, you do not revise the entire plane. But in this particular case, I just want to take all levels. So the new skate rev, sorry for typo, and with nut. Right, so save, continue. Our revisions is saved, and now we can navigate between these revisions. So I can go revision 1, there was no nut there. I can go to revision 2, and you have revision with nut. So that was Oleg with a new baseline option for OpenBOM save revision mechanism, and I will talk to you in the next video.